The instructions for mounting a sample into the saw are as follows. There should be a book near the saw that has written instructions for you, especially in using this vise for tightening down your sample. You need to refer to these instructions. The vices are here. They're loose right now with these in the center and the ratchets loose, and they'll move back and forth. You want to place your sample up against the back plate. Better to cut through the saw this way than that to minimize the area of abrasion. And you place your sample up against the back wall with the portion you want cut in the center of this slit. In order to mount the sample in the saw, we are going to use these vices. They are loose. This is the quick release to the center is loose, and these ratchets are loose. The sample should be flat, and you put it up against the back wall and push the vise up against the sample, pinning it to the back wall. We now need to first tighten these ratchets. Instructions in the book tell you that to tighten with this ratchet, you flip this lever to the left and then tighten. When you turn the lever to the center, you can move this out of the way. And finally, you use the quick release to tighten final. Over here, I'm going to move the lever to the left, tighten, move the ratchet out of the way, and then the quick release. This quick release, you have to ensure it's not going to hit the motor when the blade is brought down. Turn that too far, when you bring the blade down, it's going to hit your motor. So if that's the case, you want to loosen the quick release again and tighten this ratchet down further. Make sure it's pushed up against your sample. It's all clear, so I'm ready to cut.